I'm making pina colada today, and I'll be using coconut, pineapple, and I'll be adding strawberry for a little twist. It's super healthy and nutritious for everyone. It's light, summer drink. You can call it your secret summer drink. Pina colada, very nutritious. So let's start making it. Now, first of all, I'm going to break my coconuts. This one, so I can easily remove it from the shell. Yeah, this is what I want. Our pina colada summer drink. So this is how you remove it. Fix your knife. So you don't move yourself. So I finished shelling it, and I'm gonna wash it and use it to make pina colada. So it's time for me to cut my pineapple. I'm using this half remaining pineapple I have. This pina colada is a simple, nutritious summer drink. Anytime I'm taking it, it reminds me of summer. Summer is almost here, so I just felt like making pina colada because I love it so much. It tastes so unique. Easy to make and very nutritious. Everyone will love it. Only if the person is allergic to nuts, like my daughter is allergic to nuts. She doesn't take coconut, so she can have and enjoy this pina colada with us. In my jug, I have my juicer jug. I'm supposed to cut this coconut into smaller chunks so that it's easy to what I have, and it's going to give me good results. You can use whatever you have, your blender, your small cup. Trust me, you get a good result. This is it. It takes time, but we're heading there. We're getting there. Straining it up, this is what we have. Juicy Piña Colada. I use coconut, pineapple and strawberry. I'll be adding it into my jug. See this goodness. There we have it. Pina Colada. So good. Will you be trying this? Please do and thank me later. Don't forget to like, comment,